And so now is the time where we just get to settle. Settle into our bodies, settle into our chairs. And just let go. Maybe for the first time this week, this is a time when you get to be held. So we come into the sacred time of silence and meditation. And we just imagine the love of God, the light of God coming down, surrounding us, filling this room. And feeling that presence. And that presence is whispering to you, it's okay. I got you. That presence is holding you, reassuring you that it is there, that it's always there. That you really can come into the space with all the concerns, all of the questions, all of the fears, all of the doubts, and just let them go. In fact, I want you just to take a deep breath in and let it go. Take another deep breath in. All the good, all the love, all the joy. Let go of all of the stuff that's no longer serving you. And for just this moment, just be. And just say, I'm ready, God. I'm ready to be held. I'm ready to feel you. I'm ready to know you. I'm ready to receive all that is here for me to receive. Even if I think, who am I? Remind me, God. Please remind me who I am. Please remind me who you are. I don't want to forget anymore. I don't want to feel lost anymore. Show me. Show me in a way that is real for me. I don't always understand, God. But I know there's something. And I'm here. I'm surrendering it all to you. And so I open my heart. I open my mind. I open my soul. And I invite you in fully. All of you. Thank you, God. Thank you for this time. Thank you for your presence. Thank you for this beautiful day and this beautiful family. Thank you for helping me remember who I am. And then when you're ready, slowly start to come back into the room, back into your body.